Hi, my name is Caleb Gan from Jurong East Investor Center.
Hi, I'm Andy from Jurong East Investor Center. So today, what we're going to talk about?
Okay, today we're going to talk about how to participate in gold using different tools. Okay, so recently we look at the markets. Okay, a lot of people start to ask about gold because the gold price started to shoot up. So Andy, maybe can you share with us what is the reason the gold price shoot up recently?
So recently, right, we actually see that the US market, okay, basically the Federal Reserve has actually have an idea to actually reduce the interest rate. So when we reduce the interest rate, actually it will actually cause a lot of people to like go for this kind of a safe haven product like gold, like some of the metals, and that is one of the main reason. Okay, the devaluation of the USD. That's why people go for gold or some similar type of asset.
So now a lot of my friend feedback that they thought that to participate in gold is very expensive. Alright, so traditional way, of course, they go to the bank lah. Alright,
so traditional way they go to jewelry.
Yeah, jewelry. Okay, alright.
Buy the physical gold.
Alright, so Andy, can you share with us how to participate in gold through online platform?
Okay, so basically on the Poems platform, there's different way to participate in gold. Okay, so as you can see over here, you can actually buy the gold ETF, and gold ETF actually is also listed in SGX. Okay, the Spider Gold ETF, and also you can buy the one that is listed in the MX. Okay, the code is GLD. Okay, so that's one way. Okay, you can buy the gold ETF instead of the physical gold. What's the main difference between the gold ETF and physical gold is this one. Okay, you can actually buy and sell using your cell phone, using your laptop. But the physical gold, sometimes you have to go to the goldsmith, you can go to the bank, go to the pawn shop, okay, to actually like sell away the gold. So basically, you cannot participate in those like what we call.
Hey Andy, I heard some people, investor, they keep their gold in their
safe box.
Safe box. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. And also under their bed, maybe, huh?
Maybe.
Okay, so besides gold ETF, besides the gold ETF, what's the next thing you think that they can actually participate the gold movement, gold investment?
I think another way to participate is using contract for difference, CFD, gold CFD. So right now, each point costs only USD $1, okay, which is quite affordable. So for example, 1 unit of gold, it only costs you maybe around Sing dollar $381.
Okay, can you illustrate us on the platform?
Alright, so basically, if you want to participate in a gold CFD, okay, so you just need to key in on your Poem platform, GLD for example, and then choose the green color icon CFD, and then or you can just click on this tab CFD, okay, which is much more easier, and then you look for this gold USD $1 CFD. So you just need to double click. Alright, so basically CFD, just to share with you, is a leverage products. Okay, and then if you look at these portions, basically the margin requirement for this gold is basically 20%. Alright, 20%. So in order for you to participate 1 unit, alright, okay, you just need to have at least cash or deposit into your CFD account around 382 Sing dollars. Okay, so long position financial charges is a 6% per annum basis, and then of course you can go for short position if you thought that the market is going down or the gold is going down. You can actually participate in a short sell position. Alright, so this is a Phillips CFD $1 gold. For example, if you want to buy a full contract of gold, of course you need to pay a full amount. For this example is $1,405 US. Alright, so like what I mentioned, CFD is a leverage product. Okay, basically you just need to put 20% of 1,405 USD, which is equivalent to Sing dollar 381. So that means it allowed you to participate in gold with less capitals. You're
Okay.
right.
So if let's say we want to buy, let's say three contract, then you require $1,000 lah.
Yes,
But when we make money, when we lose money, right, it's based on the contract value. Okay, based on the contract value. So basically, how do we know how much we going to make, or how much? I mean, let's say the gold price move up by $100. So how much we actually make?
Okay, obviously if the gold price went up to 100 point, for example, so you just need to time USD $1.
Okay, so
alright. So that's the gross profit lah.
Gross profit. Okay,
Yes.
so the next question I think a lot of people will ask is the commission.
Okay.
Okay, so how much is the commission for this contract?
Okay, very interesting because currently, CFD gold. Alright, so if you buy one unit, for example, okay, it will only cost you $1. Okay, $1. And then again, of course, if you buy, for example, 3 units, and then you just need to time $3.
So $3.
$3
Okay.
for 3 units of gold.
Okay, so let us just maybe go back to the Poems platform, and then we can see like the chart live. Okay, we look at the chart of this gold. Okay, so basically, like example, like the past few days. Okay, example, this big one is somewhere from 1,350. It goes up to 1,389. Okay, so if you buy one contract and there's a big move like this, okay, it move up $39. I mean 39 point. It means that you actually make $39, and after you sell away and you net off all the commission, okay, within the day, okay, you do not need to get a finance charge. Okay, you do not have to pay finance charge. So okay, so basically you make like $39 minus $2 commission. Okay, but sometimes, okay, the movement will be slightly smaller, maybe like yesterday. Okay, like currently, okay, it actually moved up by 6 point. Okay, 6 point means, if you minus off the commission, you still make $4 lah.
I see.
Okay.
Then just now you're talking about the financial charges. So basically, how much, if investor need to pay? Can you give us some example?
Okay, so basically, example, okay, when you trade this, right? Okay, when you trade this gold, you know that the 1 year is actually 6%. Okay, 6%. Then you look at the contract price, 1,400. Okay, 1,405. This is like 1 year times. Okay, that means 6% times 1,405 divided by 365 days. Okay, that will be in about
0.23 USD per day.
Okay,
Yeah.
so basically it's about 23 cents a day. So basically, when you buy this CFD, right, a lot of people will ask, hey, can we hold this, for long term? Can we hold this for long term?
Okay, because there is a financial charges, alright. So my suggestion is that try not to hold for long terms. Alright, so basically, you have to look at the momentum of the stocks. So right now, gold, there is a momentum. So that's why, we look at this as an opportunity so that you can participate using CFD. Now, let's say, for example, gold is not moving at all, okay, becomes stagnant, then you might, consider not to use CFD.
Okay. I see. Okay, so another thing is, okay, we just add one more thing to our viewer, right? Okay, so basically there's also another way of investing in gold, okay, which is instead of buying the gold itself, some people will consider to look for the gold miner ETF. Okay, so gold miner ETF, so that's one thing that you can also look out for lah. So there's different way. Okay, so basically you can buy the gold ETF, you can trade the spot gold CFD, and also you can actually buy the gold miner ETF, or even you can buy the gold miner individual stock as well. Okay, so if you need to know more, okay, we can just feel free to give us just text us. Okay, we'll leave our email or this our handphone below. Okay, just give us a text. Okay, if you want to know more about Philips CFD, you want to open a trading account, okay, you can always look for Caleb, or also from this email. Okay, so yeah, so thank you for watching this. I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.